Set up a Nighthawk wireless outdoor camera. While there are many brands and types of wireless outdoor cameras offered in the market today, there are those who prefer buying security cameras that can easily be installed without the need of professional help. The Nighthawk wireless outdoor camera is among the brands most chosen by homes and establishments because of its quick installation and ease of use. Aside from being ideal for various weather conditions, the Nighthawk wireless outdoor camera can quickly be installed by the user. It can clearly capture and transmit video without using any wires to connect with the surveillance receiver. It also has night vision capability that can capture images in the dark. Not only do these features make surveillance simple, they also ensure a high level of security. By learning how to set up a Nighthawk wireless outdoor camera, you can install your surveillance camera at home for better security. Plug in the camera cables. Look for the power cable of the camera. Plug in the power adapter into the rear of the camera and plug the cord into the mains. Set the antenna upright on the side of the camera. Plug the receiver cables. Plug the receiver's power adapter into the DC power input located at the back of the receiver. Afterwards, plug the unit into a working AC power outlet. Set the antenna upright on the side of the receiver. Plug the audio/video cables. You will find an audio/video cable included in your Nighthawk wireless outdoor camera kit. Run this from the receiver to your monitor. Be sure to match the ends of the audio/video cable according to color. Plug the red end to the red audio port, and plug the yellow end to the yellow video port on at the back of the video receiver. Plug the other ends to the audio in and video in ports on the back of the monitor. Use the cell button. On the front of the receiver, you will find a button with the cell label. Press that button in order to change the reception channel of the receiver. Change the channel until you match the broadcast channel of the camera. By default, the channel on the camera is channel 1. You will notice that as you go on pressing the cell button, there will be an LCD light working under the heading of the current channel of the receiver. To ensure that you are receiving the right input of the audio and video, set your monitor to the right input channel. Get the best reception by means of setting up a clear line of sight between the receiver and the camera. Adjust the setting as necessary so that you can have a good view of the surrounding as viewed via the monitor. Adding a video camera to your home or business establishment helps against theft, fraud, and other security problems. For best results, You can attach your video receiver to a recorder, so that you have a record of everything that occurs throughout the day, even without constantly having to monitor the video.